logo, Gold Wing picture. It's been on the internet.
Which Gold Wing's on it?
Your newest 1800 you're getting ready to buy.
I am.
There is an 1800 on here. It is a... Alright.
She still can't tell one from the other.
I put an 1100 on it.
We got people here that, you know, want to try forest fires and stuff.
Because they all smoke, that's a guarantee.
What's open bid on lighter? Come on.
10 bucks.
10 bucks over here.
15.
15.
20.
20. 20.
It is.
20. 25.
Who makes it? Read the bottom.
I don't believe it is.
No, I'm not worried about getting Zippo, but there's a couple. No.
Broke.
No, come on.
Talking on the bottom of the case.
That's not. I just look. It's
The
plain.
case is separate from where I got them.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the bottom of the case.
Yeah.
Came from me.
Yeah.
I was out
It
there.
came from Baby Dozer.
I got a $20 bid over here from Dean. $20 bid. If somebody will double the $20 bid, if they'll double it, we'll put a beam with it for a double bid for 40 bucks. Sure. It's gonna go for 20, but we'll go 40 with a beam. 21?
30 with the beam?
30
No, that'd be like only be $10. Well, I tell you what we do for the lucky, only 35 and a beam.
30 with the
You
beam?
got that cheap jacket.
Yeah.
I gotta save my money for the rest of the
We got 20, or we got 20 on the. We got a bid of 20, 35 with the beam. You know you're gonna have one somewhere.
Yeah, 40
35
for
for lucky. Sorry about that.
40 with the beam.
That's here. Cheryl got it over here.